It's been a while since I made a video. I've just been kind of busy, but I finally have some alone time, so I figured why not. I can't remember like all the requests I got, but I remember like for the like stifle things, and I don't know. I'm just kind of gonna go with it, and I'm gonna try to do some different types of sneezes, and yeah. I've never really like induced with a straw before, but I'm trying it today. Just like to see what it'll do. Oh god. It was really wet. And I forgot the tissue, so I'm kind of on my own. I'll try. That was a very like forceful stifle. I've just been like really bored lately, like I've been like really into the fetish, so oh my god, these just keep coming. This is working. That was so weird. Oh. I can't even like talk in between these. They're just coming out so. I don't know, I mean like my nose just tickles a lot. I'm gonna try to hold back this one. God. Tickles so bad. No. Okay, well, yeah, well that just happened. Thanks for watching. I'll try to make more soon.